I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. I have something perfect for a bright sunny day. Jackfruit Wasabi Wrap.
It goes round and round.
First, boil some water and steam up your tortilla wraps.
It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here.
In a salad bowl, put in the cabbage, sugar, pepper, and white vinegar. Then toss them lightly.
I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to
On the tortilla wrap, spread your mayonnaise and the wasabi sauce, and then put in as much ingredients as you wish.
It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Roll it up and it's done. It's that easy.
It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground.
You enjoyed this? To give me a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and on my comments, tell me what you think of this recipe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Real dark